Teachers need to always be in touch with the parents. Teachers do observations on their students throughout the year for documentation for the state. Teachers take daily anecdotal notes on their students to record their development in certain areas such as cognitive, fine motor, math, social emotional, and etc. If a teacher notices anything different going on with a certain student, that teacher needs to update the parents immediately via phone, email, face-to-face, or a classroom app. There will be at least 2 mandatory parent-teacher conferences held throughout the school year, so that's another way they can talk to the parents. But as soon as they see something that the child needs, they need to do it as soon as possible so they can get the help as soon as possible for this precious little child. A great screening tool I have used in the past and I still use today is called ASQ, Ages and Stages. The parents fill out the form on their child at the start of the school year, and then when the teacher assesses a child throughout the year, they can look back and look at the progression. Or if there is no progression, that is when the teacher needs to reach out to the parent and also needs to reach out to the superiors of that school, of that company, so they know what is going on for this child. Ages and Stages is used for an annual development statement assessment. So if you have the child again the following year, the parents need to fill out a brand new form each year. Just remember that parents need to keep in contact with the parents as much as possible, and that makes the parents feel very welcomed and respected and knowing that the teacher does care about their child.